We're going again, IJTV fans. Now I have a little place. I'm going to show you guys again. Alright? Come look how we're going.
Now look at this building, guys. This used to be a bar and things. It used to be occupied, but now closed down. Now this is wood, guys. Now this full of us, right now this full of us, but this is wood. Look how creative this person is. Just look how creative the person is. Look at it, guys. Now look at it. You see this? Pure wood, man.